Hey tech enthusiasts, ever wondered if you're getting the best bang for your buck with your internet service? Spoiler alert, you're probably not. Telecom companies have been making it harder for us to get the speeds we're paying for, but today I'm going to share a game-changing device that they tried to get banned. That's right, folks, meet the Ryoko Pro router. So, why should you care about the Ryoko Pro router? Well, it's not just another gadget. This little device can save you tons of money while boosting your internet speed. Sounds too good to be true? Let's break it down. First off, the Ryoko Pro router is designed to optimize your internet connection. It does this by finding the strongest signal and amplifying it. No more dead zones in your home and no more buffering during your favorite shows. Imagine streaming 4K videos seamlessly or gaming online without lag. It's a dream for any tech enthusiast. But here's the kicker. The Ryoko Pro router can work with any internet service provider. That's right, you don't need to switch providers or sign up for an expensive plan. Just plug it in, set it up, and you're good to go. And setting it up is a breeze, even if you're not tech savvy. Now, let's talk savings. Telecom companies hate the Ryoko Pro router because it means you can stick with a cheaper plan and still get amazing speeds. Why pay for a premium service when you can get the same speeds for less? Over time, this can save you hundreds of dollars. You might be wondering, how did Ryoko Pro pull this off? The secret lies in its advanced technology. It uses what's called channel bonding, which combines multiple internet channels to boost your overall speed. It's like having multiple internet connections working together. Genius, right? Now, I can already hear some of you asking, does it really work? According to countless reviews and my own experience, the answer is a resounding yes. Users are raving about how much their internet experience has improved. Faster downloads, smoother streaming, and more reliable connections. So, if you're tired of paying too much for slow internet, it's time to take matters into your own hands. Check out the Ryoko Pro router and see the difference for yourself. Telecom companies tried to get this banned for a reason. It's a total game changer. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you've tried the Ryoko Pro router or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.